How to record internal audio on laptop. The first method uses Windows Voice Recorder. Windows 10 comes with a built-in recording tool called Voice Recorder. To record internal audio with it, you'll first need to enable Stereo Mix. To do this, click the Start menu and open Settings. Next, go to System and select Sound from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click Sound Control Panel under Related Settings. In the Sound window, switch to the Recording tab. Right-click Stereo Mix and select Enable. Then click OK to save your changes. Once Stereo Mix is enabled, Voice Recorder will be able to capture the sound coming directly from your computer instead of your microphone. Now, launch Voice Recorder and click the microphone button to start recording. Any audio playing from your computer, such as music, videos, or live streams, will be captured. While this method works without installing any additional software, it requires you to enable and disable Stereo Mix whenever you switch between recording system audio and your microphone. If you'd like a more convenient option, you can use AppGeeker Screen Recorder. This software allows you to record system audio and microphone audio separately or at the same time without changing your Windows sound settings. After installing and opening the program, select Audio Recorder from the main interface. Then turn on System Sound and turn off the microphone option if you only want to record internal audio. You can also adjust the volume level using the sliders provided. Once everything is set up, click REC to begin recording. The software will capture any sound playing on your computer. When you're finished, click the Stop button on the floating toolbar. Your recording will be saved automatically and ready for playback. And that's how you can record internal audio on Windows 10, using either the built-in voice recorder or a dedicated audio recording tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.